What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dev back with another video, and today I'm back with another training. Today we're going to be looking at USD Chief once again. I'm putting the last piece to the puzzle to my trading style. So before we get started, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure we leave a comment what you think about this, and let's go ahead and make sure we subscribe to the channel. We are growing every single day. Let's just go ahead and make sure we subscribe. Make sure you turn the post notification bell on as well. But today we're just going to continue on the USD Chief pair. And we marked this chart up earlier today. I actually showed the recap on this live in my trading account. I also shown how I got the previous markup, based off the previous 3 videos that I posted, episode 1, 2, and 3. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to be showing y'all a fibs training. The Fibonacci retracement is going to be probably the most important thing after you figuring out a markup, a possible trade idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show y'all how we set up this Fibonacci retracement. So once again, we're going to be talking about higher highs, higher lows, and lower highs. So on USD Chief, we're going to go ahead and throw the Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my tool. And if I'm looking for a buy, so what I'm looking for is an opportunity for the market to come back, retest, and go back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come from my previous low to my previous high. And if we were looking for a sell, we would come from the high to the low to look for a retracement. But we're looking for a buy, so we're going to come from the low to the high. So I'm going to go ahead and go from this low all the way to this high. And there's a reason why my Fibonacci retracement has one red line. If you ever seen any other traders, the golden fib zone for them is probably the 61.8, but my golden fib is my 71 fib. And if you can see very, very clear, we have a 0.618, we have a 0.71, and then we have a 0.786. So this is going to be my golden fib zone here, the 71 fib and the 786. So when I'm looking at my charts, I'm going to draw my fib either off the 4-hour or I'm going to draw it off the day. And the reason I do that is because you can identify the highs and the lows way, way easier off the day or the 4-hour instead of your 1-hour. This is going to be kind of hard to, see if you're on the 1-hour. So that's why I do it off the 4-hour or the day. So right now we're on this 4-hour, and what I saw was, we have our trend line here for support. And if you look at this, I entered off the 71 fib. The 71 fib is very, very reliable. If I would have entered off the 61.8, I would have been 26 pips in drawdown. But since I entered off the 71 fib, we were only in 5 pip drawdown. When you're trading, you can't be an emotional trader. So getting the sniper entry and being blue very, very fast is gonna keep the emotions away. So that's why we use the 71 fib, because this is gonna get you a good entry, but the 71 is gonna get you a sniper entry. So I'm just gonna show another pair that I was looking at for the 71 fib, and I'm just gonna show y'all how accurate the 71 fib is actually is. So I'm gonna go to Euro USD, and this is a pair that I actually marked up too on my previous call showing my trend line. But EUR USD, I actually had it coming out, but we broke out of this trend line. But the importance of trading is you have to know market structure. And I did not buy this because there's previous market structure here. So I wouldn't buy this when I know I'm hitting all of these areas of resistance. And also, we actually did break out of this daily trend. So we broke out of it, we came back above, but since I knew the basic market structure, this is why I sold, and this is why I'm up. I'm up about 70 pips right now. I'm up about 70 pips right now. But if you just look at it, like I said, for the buy, you want to take it from the low to the high. But if you're looking for a sell, you want to take it from the high to the low. So let me go ahead and delete this Fibonacci and go ahead and look at it for the sell. So I'm going to come from this most recent high. You want to come from the most recent one. So you want to come from the most recent high to the most recent low. So most recent high is here, up here, and this is the most recent low. So what this is going to give us is, we're going to come all the way back up here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And now my TP zone is going to be around the negative 27 fib, because after this lower low and this lower high, now we're looking for another lower low. Then eventually we're going to come back and get another lower high. So right now we're about 70 pips in profit off the 71 fib. That's a little bit about the Fibonacci. That's basically how you use it. After you get everything set up, your trend line, your support and resistance, and you have your Fibonacci, you're finally ready. You're finally ready to actually hop in this trade. If everything lines up, you have every confirmation, then you're set. So what I want to show, the reason I'm going to continue to hold this trade is because now I have another confirmation. Now I'm going to have a trend line here, and now as you can see, we broke out of this trend line as well. So we broke out of this downtrend. We already got a sniper entry here. If I wanted to enter again, I possibly could, because I just broke out of this trend line as well. So we're on an uptrend. We're on a nice uptrend. So I hope you all enjoyed that Fibonacci retracement training. That is going to be it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you do want to follow me on any social medias, I will drop that in the description. And if you want any education on how to trade in the foreign exchange market, definitely shoot me a message on any social media platform, and I will get right back to you, and I can show you how to get started.